The stable CU Servo Drive series offers multi-axis control solutions, comprehensively addressing both rotary and linear motion application requirements. The FT2 single-axis rotary servo drive supports dual input voltages of 220V and 380V and offers multiple control interfaces, including pulse, SAN-open, and EtherCAT, enabling high-precision single-axis motion control in a variety of demanding applications. The FM2 dual-axis rotary servo drive features an integrated, compact dual-axis design, ideal for synchronized motion applications and effectively reducing installation space requirements. The FM3 triple-axis rotary servo drive supports synchronized 3-axis control, significantly enhancing the integration level and coordination of multi-axis systems. The FD series linear servo drives are specifically designed for linear motion modules, comprising 3 models: single-axis FD, dual-axis FD2, and triple-axis FD3. These drives directly power linear motion mechanisms to achieve precise linear positioning. The FDM dual-axis hybrid servo drive integrates both rotary servo and linear module control within a single unit, enabling synchronized heterogeneous motion coordination between 2 axes. The FDM3 triple-axis hybrid servo drive extends mixed-axis control capability to 3 axes, allowing flexible configuration of rotary and linear axis combinations to meet the integration demands of complex multi-axis systems. All models support position, velocity, torque, and hybrid control modes, and are equipped with comprehensive protection features and real-time monitoring, making them suitable for high-precision motion control requirements across a wide range of automated equipment.